Now, not only is he under the scanner in relation with Dr. Sachin's murder, but now it's being said that AK Shukla's arrest within the next 24 hours is imminent. Former CMO Shukla evaded Times Now's cameras. They're also currently in possession of the FIR that's been filed against Sachin and Shukla for financial irregularities. But while Sachin landed up behind bars, Shukla wasn't even questioned.
Perhaps the one person who holds the key to the investigation into the Y.S. Sachan murder case is Dr. A.K. Shukla, who has also been named in the same FIR that has been filed about financial irregularities that were committed by both Y.S. Sachan as well as A.K. Shukla. Now, many feel that perhaps the UP police is not carrying out the investigation properly because A.K. Shukla is free. He has not been questioned and is very much at large. We are at present at the residence of Dr. A.K. Shukla, which is right behind me. We have been informed that he is not at home and he is not available for any comment. But then definitely all eyes and all fingers are in fact pointing towards A.K. Shukla because he really holds the key as to where this investigation actually goes. He was the former boss of Y.S. Sachan. He was the CMO and perhaps could be able to throw some more light why the CMOs have been killed in this particular way. Two died earlier and then the cold-blooded murder or the death of Deputy CMO Y.S. Sachan. Of course, a lot of answers that are being sought. The key to it is with A.K. Shukla. In Lucknow, Sanket Upadhyay for Times Now.
निश्चित तौर पर उत्तर प्रदेश के हालात जैसा कि प्रमोद जी और रीटा जी ने कहा है बहुत ही चिंतनीय है और ये भी एक सोचने की बात है कि हम न्याय मांगने के लिए जाते हैं और प्रजातंत्र में हर व्यक्ति अपनी बात रखने के लिए स्वतंत्र है, लेकिन उत्तर प्रदेश में मीडिया के लोगों को जबरदस्ती पुलिस पकड़ती है और मीडिया को समझाने के लिए कहा जाता है कि हमने उसको सस्पेंड कर दिया, सस्पेंशन के ऑर्डर नहीं निकाले। किस कदर मीडिया को बेवकूफ बनाया गया है, किस कदर जनता को ठगा जा रहा है, ये सारी बातें अब सामने आ गई हैं। एक दफ्तर में, लखनऊ के एक सीएमओ के दफ्तर में 3 हत्याएं हो चुकी हैं। डॉक्टर आर्या, डॉक्टर वीपी सिंह और डॉक्टर सचान। मायावती जी 2 मंत्रियों को निकाल चुकी हैं, ये कहकर कि इन्होंने गड़बड़ी की, इसको निकाल दिया गया। आज बताया गया कि कौन सी गड़बड़ी की है और गड़बड़ी की है तो उन पर मुकदमा कायम क्यों नहीं किया गया, बात सामने क्यों नहीं लाई गई। भ्रष्टाचार चरम सीमा पर है। कल मैं सोनभद्र गया था, नगवा ब्लॉक में सोनभद्र में एक जिले में लगभग 300 करोड़ का घोटाला पकड़ा गया है वहां पर, और उसमें 2 बीडीओ संजय पांडे और राजेश यादव, उनके खिलाफ पीएस होम कुंवर फतेह बहादुर प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस सोनभद्र में लेते हैं कि दोनों खिलाफ एफआईआर दर्ज की जाएगी।
Now, Sanket Upadhyay joins us from outside A.K. Shukla's house. Sanket, Shukla continues evading our cameras, even as sources say he's to be arrested soon.
Well, yes, Riddhim, let me show you that this is the official residence of Dr. A.K. Shukla. That is where he, in fact, stays. Now, the guards over here are, in fact, saying and maintaining that Dr. A.K. Shukla is not at home, and he had, in fact, left at 12 for the Health Directorate here in Lucknow. But then Times Now also checked with the Health Directorate, and Dr. A.K. Shukla was not there, which clearly implicates, which clearly means that Dr. A.K. Shukla does not want to speak to anyone, does not want want to make a public appearance, considering the fact that there are serious charges against him. Now, in the FIR that was lodged in Lucknow on the 7th of April, it has named two doctors, Dr. Y.S. Sachan as well as Dr. A.K. Shukla, for embezzlement of funds meant for the National Rural Health Mission. This leads, the basic implication of this particular FIR is that they led to cost overruns and also were making false procurements. While Y.S. Sachan was in fact questioned, interrogated, and then eventually booked also in the cases of the murder of the two CMOs, Dr. A.K. Shukla has not even been questioned once in this entire matter, despite the fact that his name appears in that FIR. That seems to be the question that everyone now is asking. What is it that gives Dr. A.K. Shukla that sort of immunity that he has in fact not gone through any sort of interrogation or investigation in this entire matter? Many people also feel that perhaps he has connections with those higher ups in the state establishment, in the state government, which is actually giving him in fact this immunity. What is most important here in this case, Rhythm, is the fact that now the courts have come down hard, asking the police to file their report as to what action they have taken on the basis of that FIR, which could clearly mean, and what we are learning now, that the pressure is building on the Mayawati administration, and arrest of Dr. A.K. Shukla could in fact be imminent.
Thanks, Sanket, for that. Clearly, the former CMO under the scanner.